Fabrication. Forming the plate should be done with by pressure of the impact and groove of the edge of the plate with longitudinal joints. Cutting in the sub of the ferrous, non-ferrous, and ferrous, non-ferrous plates, edges, heads of the other parts may be cut to size by shaping by mechanical means, machining, shearing, grinding, or applicable thermal cutting. Oxygen arc cut edges shall be uniform, smooth, free of fins, if the cracks, loose, thick scale, slag, surface, or oxide, mixture, moisture, grease, other foreign material that would prevent improper welding. Detrimental oxidation of the material was molten shall be also removed. Discolorization may remain on the oxygen cut carbon low alloy steel surface that does not contribute to the detrimental to welding. Alignment plates heads of the being welded should be fitted to the line with the pertaining position during the welding operation. Back bars, jacks, clamps, or other appropriate devices, including tack welds, may be used to hold the alignment of the edge of the weld. The temporary tack weld should be removed. Tack weld should be incorporated during the final welding or removed. Temporary and or tack welds should be deposited in the accordance with qualified welding procedure. Temporary tack welds should be removed. The surface to restore the original contour of the temporary weld is deposited after the post-weld heat treatment. Affected area should be examined after removal of the temporary weld by particle or magnetic testing. Ensure that the soundness repair should be made in accordance with Appendix R. Parts of the joint with the fillet weld should be brought into close contact properly. The root opening shall not exceed 3/16 of an inch. Representation separation of 1/16 of an inch or the greater leg fillet weld to be increased with the amount of the separation or the manufacturer demonstrated the required effective weld size has been obtained. Fraying surface of separation between fraying surface of the lap joints, plugs, and slot welds. Butt joints landing on the backing shall not exceed 1/16 of an inch. Butt groove welding plates using equal thickness for the Appendix E. Welding condition of welding should not be done with the aim at a temperature less than 0 degrees Fahrenheit, between 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The surface of the area is within 3 inches of the point where the weld or start of the tray shall be heated a minimum of 50 degrees Fahrenheit before the welding started. The ambient environmental temperature is to below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The heated surface of the shelter around the air bent weld to maintain with a temperature adjacent to the weldment of 0 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Welding shall not be done with the surface parts of the weld are met wet. Welding shall not be done with the rain, snow, but the falling during the periods of high winds or during periods of high wind unless the welder is working properly shielded. Roundness shell. Shell is completed tank circular cross-section shall be circular with a plus or minus 1% of the inside of the diameter of the tank location measurement. Tolerance for the head. See Appendix E with the paragraph 1-3 with the parable of deviation of the head specified shape. 13.7. Arc strikes. Class and blemish of the visual marks made by the arc strikes so the shall be removed. The surface restore the original contour of the arc strikes. Discover the post-weld heat treatment. Affect arcs shall be made an example after removal of the arc strike and particle magnetic ensure the soundness repair shall be made in accordance with Appendix R. Preheat interpass temperature. Base metal should be preheated to recover the temperature and not less. Minimum value listed with the welding performance specification. Table W7 the welding performance specification. Essential variable limitation. Preheat. All subsequent minimum interpass temperatures shall be maintained during the welding operation for the distance at least equal the thickness of the thickness welded part, but not less than 3 inches, and all of the direction point of the welding minimum interpass temperature of the requirement shall be considered equal to preheat requirements unless otherwise indicated the welding performance specification. Preheat interpass temperature shall be checked just prior to initiating the arc of each process. Chapter 14. Weld joints.